Our vast planet contains a wealth of energy. However, with the acceleration of the global process of urbanization, oil resources have been excessively consumed, and we are now facing the global energy crisis. Accompany the country's energy security and energy diversification considerations. The countries in the world are in great efforts to develop alternative energy for oil. Natural gas as a clean energy has been favored by many countries. In the nation's 11th five-year plan, an important guideline has been made to develop and utilize gas resources and to use new energy as a substitute of traditional fuels. In the 12th five-year plan, an important special plan has been made for the development goals of the natural gas. With the mature development of the natural gas technology and equipment, the application of natural gas has been widely used and developed on the basis of liquefied natural gas, LNG, and more responsive to the development trend. LNG, a greener, cleaner, and more efficient clean energy, will become the new darling of the global energy. The gas was cooled to minus 162 degrees Celsius, 625 times the volume shrinkage, then become LNG. Referred LNG, LNG as a power fuel can mean savings of 30% of the fuel costs, compared to gasoline and diesel, can be reduced by approximately 85% of integrated emissions. LNG easy storage, mileage longer, safer, more economical, and environmental protection. Key high-tech enterprise of National Torch Plan. High-tech enterprise of Jiangsu Province, having a number of technology research and development platforms, such as Jiangsu Province LNG Application Equipment Engineering Technology and Research Center, Jiangsu Province Enterprise Academic Workstation, etc. This is FURUISE. Zhengzhigang Furai Special Equipment Company Limited, with high sense of responsibility and mission. Through overarching strategic thinking and vision, followed by the national policy to seize the opportunity during the 12th five-year plan, and the first to join LNG industry, from research and development and manufacturing of the equipment of LNG industry to after-sales service. The company continues in vocation and dedicates to the manufacture and application of the research and development of LNG industry chain equipment. The company consists of 6 divisions and 4 subsidiary companies, but also the production of seawater desalination equipment, gas separation equipment, and the supply of the whole LNG industry chain equipments for worldwide users. Leading the complete LNG industry solutions, FURUISE is the only provider who can provide one-stop solutions and outfits in China. She has a complete industrial chain of LNG liquefaction, transportation, and storage. More than 50% of the market in LNG cylinders for vehicle, LNG filling stations, and other products. The core equipment of LNG liquefaction is an integrated set of natural gas liquefied equipment, which converts the natural gas into liquefied gas by the process of purification and cool treatment. High R&D and manufacturing capabilities makes FURUISE's skid-mounted gas liquefaction plant strong competitiveness market share in the industry. The liquefaction plant, using imported technology, the implementation of modular production, can provide customers with daily gas processing capacity of 5 to 30 cubic liquefaction plant. The core equipment for LNG storage is a cryogenic liquid tank. The use of strain hardening technology of austenitic stainless steel can greatly reduce the design wall thickness of the cryogenic vessel under the premise of ensuring safety, thereby reducing the manufacturing costs of the cryogenic tanks to improve the competitiveness of products in the market. The core equipment for LNG transportation is LNG cryogenic liquid tanker and LNG tank containers. Core technology is a multi-layer winding high vacuum insulation technology. Is a high vacuum technology product. It can provide the largest LNG cryogenic liquid transport semi-trailer. LNG applications cover LNG skid-mounted filling stations, LNG vehicles gas supplier system, LNG marine gas supply system, cryogenic complete valve devices, etc., which are the basic equipment for the rapid development of LNG clean energy. Since 2006, the company began the R&D of gas supply system for vehicle cylinders and participated in the National 863 project in heavy-duty LNG special truck development. Relying on superb technical strength, successful research and development of self-pressurization system with complete product specifications, the company has provided equipments for Sinotruck, Shanxi Heavy Truck, Beiben, FAW, DFAC, Yutong, Kinglong, etc., and bus producers. In 2009, successfully developed the first set of LNG marine gas supply system, renowned mature gas supply system equipment supply and supporting service system for vehicle and marine. FURUISE presided the subject of the National 863 Technology Plan, Energy Saving and New Energy Vehicles, Mobile LNG Skid-Mounted Filling Stations, Research and Development, and passed the acceptance in 2009. Successfully developed the domestic first set of mobile LNG vehicle skid-mounted filling stations, and successful product marketing and operations, which led to the development of the LNG industry, is known as the domestic LNG applications revolutionary breakthrough in the industry. The lead in developing the enterprise specifications, and to participate in the development of industry and national standards, with the strength of EPC, and provide hundreds of filling stations for customers, superior product technology, and comprehensive index to achieve the ideal target of zero emissions during the equipment operation. On June 8, 2011, full of confidence, FURUISE successfully listed in the Shenzhen Stock Exchange GEM and became a leader in LNG special equipment industry. Talent is the basis for scientific and technological innovation. FURUISE, relying on a strong R&D team, with the concept of environmental protection and energy saving, constantly introducing of new environmentally clean energy application technology, and providing higher value-added products for millions of users. The company has obtained qualification for more than 10 items and has all kinds of authorized more than 80 patents. FURUISE forward-looking, the leading of the era, dedication to become the industry myth. The company set up LNG Application Equipment Engineering Technology Center, cooperated with Shanghai Jiaotong University, and dedicated to the research and development of Chinese small LNG liquefaction plant and the promotion and implementation of LNG industry chain solutions. In February 2010, FURUISE signed a cooperation agreement with National Defense Science Key Laboratory of Equipment Remanufacturing in automotive engine remanufacturing and oil-to-gas technology and industrialization. In addition, FURUISE also has cooperation with the Southeast University, Lanzhou University, China Automotive Engineering Research Institute, and other research institutes, and continuously improve the LNG industry and equipment manufacturing technology and marketing applications. FURUISE, to carry the banner of the leading LNG industry and contribute their efforts to the rise of the LNG industry with strong R&D strength. From land to ocean, from the domestic to the global, FURUISE is always making the efforts to be the most professional worldwide service providers in the industry. 24 hours a day in response, one-to-one services, nationwide customer service network, and ultra-long quality commitment to build the leading service brand. FURUISE adhere to customer first and full implementation, the development strategy of both excellent products and services. Every smile, encouragement, every customer recognition, every firm handshake is the forward power of FURUISE people. Depth cooperation with many famous international auto companies are now supporting the product of LNG heavy-duty trucks and LNG buses used in Xinjiang, Inner Mongolia, Shanxi, Shandong, Jiangsu, Zhejiang, Guangdong, and other provinces and cities. 24-hour service stations are established in the main regions of the country, to provide service for each terminal LNG vehicle. FURUISE have established strategic alliance with CNPC, CNOOC, Sinopec, Guanghui, ENN, and other energy companies, as well as Weichai, Yuchai, Shanghai Diesel, and other engine manufacturers, CNHTC, China FAW, Yutong, and Qinglong, etc., in LNG industry to carry out in-depth cooperation. FURUISE, with one heart and one mind, have won the reputation in the industry for its good after-sales service during the past decades and achieved the global grand vision of LNG industry layout in China. Every day, FURUISE is dedicated to improve the industrial chain, adhere to the sustainable development idea of the green world, constantly optimize product structure and management philosophy. Every day, more than 2,000 industry elites dedicated to enhance product quality and strengthen technological innovation and constantly go beyond. Every day, the aggressive FURUISE people constantly improve the talent with one heart and one mind, and constantly open up new markets and achieve win-win cooperation with customers, and also return to the community with gratitude and undertake corporate social responsibility. Standing at a new starting point, FURUISE will continue to work in good faith to practice commitment to open a new century journey.